What's up guys, it's the Sports Squad. Today I'm going to be starting a new series on my channel called Tutorial Tuesdays, which I'm going to be showing you guys redstone tutorials in Minecraft, maybe even build tutorials, but for now just redstone. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super smelter today. Basically how this thing works: you put your fuel in one chest, you put your raw source of food in one chest, the minecarts will come and pick it up when these are flicked off, all loaded up into those. You can flick the lever again and they will run down the hopper rail, go into the furnaces, and slowly, but also a lot faster than a normal method of just hand placement in a furnace, it will get you all your smelted items. As you can see, that is quite a bit faster than a regular furnace, and that is why it's good. So what you're gonna need for this is blocks of your choice, two rails, 22 redstone rails, 4 levers, 10 furnaces, 6 chests, 31 hoppers, and 2 minecarts with hoppers. What you want to do to start off is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 going across of your block of choice. That is not quite necessary, but it's usually good. Then at the end of those, place double chests, and then 10 blocks back, you're going to want to place hoppers going into the chest. And then on top of these hoppers, you're going to want to place 10 furnaces. Then come around to the back side of the furnaces, you're going to want to place 10 more hoppers going into the back of the furnaces. After that's done, you want to come on top and place 10 furnaces going in from the top. After that, you want to take your powered rails and make a section of rails going all the way across each row. After that, you're going to want to take your block of choice, place 1 block coming out of each of the hoppers, and then on top of that, you're going to place 1 more, getting a shape like that. On the other side, you're going to want to make 2 wool coming out of each hopper. Then on each of those, you're going to want to place rail, and redstone rail, and then this is temporary, but then another piece of rail, and then boom, boom, break that. That's to avoid them connecting. And then you want to make the same shape as before, like that. Symmetrical with the other side. And now, what you want to do is place a lever on the bottom. That'll flick that one on and off. And then this is important. Put 1 block there, 1 block there. And that's your lever to flick this one on and off. The reason I did that is because when you come down here to flick that, activates both of them. You want the same, you want separate connection. So now that you have that done, you're gonna want to place a double chest on top of each one, coming 1 chest over this rail. And this is when you can place your minecarts with hoppers. And then in the middle, kind of the middle, wherever you want, place a lever, redstone torch on top of a block, which will activate all of those rails. Same thing on this side. And now it is fully complete. So you take your fuel source, you put it in the bottom chest that is lower, you take your raw food, you put it in the top chest, and once it's filled up, you flick the lever, it goes off, and your food starts smelting. Now also another cool thing about this is you can put food and coal in when these things are moving. As they come back, they grab 7 each time they come back, and they will slowly bring it back over there even when they're moving, and that's how you can use it in action. Now when you look in your chest, what do you know? You got everything smelting. Looks great. So now I'm gonna show you guys this in action on an SMP server that I'm on. Okay guys, this is the SMP server that I'm on. As you can see, this is my base right here. It looks amazing. This is the clan's base over there. And if you come into what I call the workshop, come in here, this is my auto sorter. Whatever, you put your stuff in there, it auto sorts. But when you come over here, this is my super smelter. It's a little different than the tutorial just because it's in an area that needs to be different. But this is in an action. I can put, I can put, let's say, logs, because I don't have anything to smelt. I can put logs into the smelting section, and the minecart will eventually pick it up, start smelting it, and here's the really cool part. When it's done smelting, it comes through this tube right here. and goes into the chest. Let's see if it'll happen anytime soon. Oh, yeah, there it is. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Then I can literally use this charcoal. Come around here. This is where I put my smelting supplies. Boom. Starts going into a hopper. Then we'll come through this water stream up into the smelting section, as you can see right there. And the minecart will come over, pick those up. That is pretty much the super smelter in action. I actually use redstone torches because, I don't know, it's just more convenient. But I guess that's it in action, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see any more tutorials like auto sorters, bamboo farms, whatever, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see next. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. If you guys like this video, maybe you guys will like my other series where I'm on an SMP server and I make loads of videos on that, so make sure to go check that out. Also, check out my Discord server. First link in the description. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.